Hi, I'm Jordan Catapana with Bevmo, and I'm going to show you how to make a pitcher of passion fruit mojito. This drink is very easy to make. Just follow these steps and you'll be able to make the same drink at home. We're going to start with half a bottle of Malibu passion fruit rum. This bottle is great too because it has a clear strip on the side so you can see exactly how much you've used and how much you have left. Next, I'm going to add a juice. I chose an orange, strawberry, banana juice, but you can really choose any juice you like as long as it has sort of a tropical flavor to it. So 16 ounces of juice. Here comes the part of the recipe that really epitomizes what a mojito is all about, using fresh mint, freshly squeezed lime juice, and simple syrup. So I'm going to mix these together. I already squeezed my 3 ounces of lime juice, so that's done. Now I'm going to add the simple syrup, 3 ounces. Balance out that sourness of the lime. And then I will add my fresh mint, about a cup. And here comes the elbow grease. Do some muddling here. This is where you work for your drink. Now, traditionally, you might muddle this with the lime slices in it, but because this is such a large portion, it will become too bulky in my pitcher and I won't be able to get as much lime juice out of it that I would like. So that's why I pre-squeezed it. Really twist that elbow, twist that wrist, get all of that nice mint flavoring into the liquid. All right, that's done. Oh, this smells so good. I could just drink it straight from the pitcher right now. So now I'm going to add it to my pitcher. And last but not least, the soda water. I'm going to use 1 container here. It's 10 ounces. It's looking good. Final thing that we will do is just to make it look a little bit more aesthetic, we're going to add some slices of lime. There we go. Now stir it really well. Now I'm going to taste it. Looks delicious. That is so delicious. The fruit juice comes through with the soda and the mint and the lime. You're going to love this drink. My only advice to you is to make sure that you buy enough supplies to make another pitcher because I have a feeling that this is going to go fast. I'm Jordan Catapana with Bevmo. Cheers.